Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to increase the variation limit in your Bigcommerce store. If your products come in multiple sizes, colors, or styles, adjusting the variation limit helps manage larger catalogs more easily. Let's get started. In Bigcommerce, hover over Products. Under Products, click this ad. Once here, enter the product name, SKUs, product type, weight, and brand. But these details are not what increases your variation limit. The most important part is the Variations section. In this section, click the Add Variation option. For example, you might see the variation name as color, or you can select other options. Choose the input type you want. Drop down, buttons, or swatches. Let's select List. Here, add another value. Keep adding more colors like purple to increase the number of available colors. This will increase the number of variations in your Bigcommerce store. The more values you add, the more your variation limit grows. That's how we increase the variation limit in Bigcommerce. Once you've set it up, select the default option. Keep adding colors until you have all the options you need. When finished, click Save Variant after saving. You will see many variants in your Bigcommerce store. And this is how we increase the variation limit in Bigcommerce. With more variation capacity, you can expand your product options and give customers more choices without making separate listings.